So remember, every major pullback, which this is a major pullback, by the way, I shed. So that would have been 50%, which would have protected me had it done a full reversal because now I only got half to worry about back up to where I bought. But then the other 50% did its thing, right? It pulls
Yep.
back. I get rid of 20 more. It continues that run. I don't like it. Continues. I get rid of the rest. And you
Okay.
got a color change, which immediately tells me get out no matter what. See what I mean?
Yep. Yep. And there's the higher level, the shedding. That's what I'm looking for. I just went through and I should have shed.
Yes, absolutely. It will, it's going to do a couple things. It's going to help you to collect profits as it moves the direction you want. And if the stock then does go against you, it takes away the damage because think about this. If you bought here, right, and it does this move, okay, and you get rid of some, well, you still collected a very small, right, very small premium, but you did from here to here. But what's bigger than that? What's bigger than that premium is now you only have 50% going against you to help you determine if you want to get out, which means it's not going as fast, which means it takes out the emotional effect, right?
Yep.
Because it doesn't move as fast. And you're like, oh, well, where before when it's doing this could be hundreds. Well, now 50% less is like 30, 40, 50, right? And you're like, oh, I can handle this. And then you get to ride this. And you're like, yes, I'm a king or a queen, right? Like, yay. So, because the other thing, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not collecting when it does these pullbacks, what can happen is it come all the way back to here and you're like, well, damn it, I should have collected some, right? Now you're break even. So if you do that on every trade, you're like, oh, damn it, I should have. Well, yeah, of course, right? That's why these pullbacks are critical to get rid of some, right? You see what
Yes.
I'm doing? And then as it continues, like, okay, now it's going against me, unload the whole boat. But you've collected from here to here, right? If you're looking at this line up here where you bought, here to here, here to here, and you dump the rest. Does that make sense?